Hello children, today we are here back again in your English class and we are going to talk about the diary of a young girl. Children, there was a girl named Annie Frank and she used to write a diary. A diary which was her best friend. We all should try to write a diary to express our emotions, our aspirations, our dreams, and the things which we are facing in a diary. This helps us to relax, and also if there is no one to listen to us, we get frustrated, depressed. But when we speak to someone, when we express ourselves to someone, we feel relaxed. So writing diary is a way of expressing yourself to someone. She was a very young girl of 13 years old and she used to write a diary. The diary was her best friend because they were Jews and they lived in Germany. And this is the time of Second World War. The Second World War was going on, and the major things which happened during the Second World War was that the Jews and the Nazis, these were the two major communities there existing in Germany, and the Nazis were the privileged sector of that time and Jews were considered to be the inferior one and they were being suppressed. The head of the Nazis was Adolf Hitler. He was the dictator of Germany at that time. So he was planning, he was compelling the Jews to move out of the Germany. So here is the incident, the things which is written by Annie Frank in her diary and which took the place of a book, right? The diary which is now published as a book, and we all came to know about the difficulties which was faced by the Jews at that time through the diary written by Annie Frank. So Annie Frank lived along with her family in a hiding, right? Her mother's name was Edith, father Otto, and her sister Margot, and they were living there along with some more people, the 4 other Jews, and that was a office and warehouse of Annie's fathers, and they were living there, and the food was provided by some of the friends, because if they were found that Jews are living there, then these Nazis were supposed to put them into the cantonment or some other place, right? So they were living there till 1944, August 1944. Unfortunately, they were caught at that time. So Annie Frank was born on 12th June 1929, and it was her 13th birthday when she got a new diary, and she started writing the incidents, the things which took place in her diary. And they were took to the concentration camp, and there was a disease, there was infectious disease spreading in the camp, because of which her mother died, her sister died, and eventually she also died. But the only person who survived in her family was her father. The only person who was alive and who could survive the thing was only her father. And Annie's friend were very much happy to find out a diary, right? Who was able to find out the diary? Annie's friends. Annie's friends were able to find out the diary in the hiding where they were hiding themselves earlier, in the warehouse or the back office of her father, they were there, and which her father got published. Her father got published her diary, and where she has expressed her views on during that Second World War. She used to call her diary Kitty. The name of her diary was Kitty, like a best friend. She treated her diary as a best friend, and the name of her best friend was Kitty. So here are some paragraphs. Here are some excerpts. Excerpts means short parts taken from her diary. That when she used to write the diary, she doesn't care about the things which was happening around, right? She in a very relaxed mood she used to write the diary without any fear. As you all also tell your things to your friends, similarly she also used to tell her things to her best friend. That was her diary without any fear. And you can also observe by the things which she has written that she was a very optimistic child. Now what is an optimistic child? Optimistic means thinking always of the positive side. हमेशा हर चीज़ का एक positive thing देखने के लिए. Like when we go to the next paragraph, she always thought that this hard time will also end and everything will get changed. Everything will be alright at the end. And she need to concentrate on her studies, because see, as your studies are very much disturbed due to corona these days, but still we are managing, the school faculty is managing to conduct the classes online. But at that time these technologies were not developed. So at that time of the Second World War, the children were made to sit at home because war was going on and there was no option for studying, right? So see, these paragraphs are taken from her diary, and the date is also mentioned, that on which date she has written these paragraphs. The next paragraph which has been taken is of October 9, 1942, and she wrote that yes, still there are some German with humanity, but the nationality, the Jews' nationality was taken away by Adolf Hitler. They were no more the citizen of Germany and they were supposed to be thrown out of Germany. And according to the situation which was going on there, she said that the situation which has been made is like Germans and Jews are the enemies, because now in Germany Nazis were there, and now the Germans and the Jews are the enemies there on earth. जो सबसे बड़े दुश्मन हैं on earth, they are the Germans and the Jews. Now in the next paragraph, she is still believing that although it is very much impractical that everything will be very much alright, but still the people living on earth here, some have good heart too. So although there is so much of misery, so much of chaos, everything is there, but still one day everything will get better. She used to pray, she used to hope कि जो भी suffering इतने लोग झेल रहे हैं, because she was not the only family, there were many Jews who were facing the same problem. कुछ लोगों को अपने ही घर में कैद होना पड़ा था, like Anne Frank was hiding in her father's office. तो बहुत सारे लोग छुपे हुए थे, because अगर किसी को पता चलता था that they are hiding, और पता चलता था that they are Jewish, they were taken to the they were taken to the camp and they were supposed to be out of the Germany. अब आपसे ही कोई कहे कि you have to leave your place and move out to some other place, so you won't be able to do it one day. So this is what all was going. So she used to pray that everything, please God, everything should get better, and may the peace and tranquility return once more on earth. Now peace, you all know, Shanti, and tranquility means calm. Shanti or calmness वापस से इस धरती पर आ जाए. So with this hope, she has written the diary, and the friends and family, as a family only her father was alive. So her friends and her father were very much happy to see that at least Anne Frank used to write, and that is why they have a proof, and we all can also get an idea that what kind of problems the people were facing during that time. So no matter what, we should be always be positive, because God Almighty is always watching everything, and He'll do everything all right, and the things will fall on the right place at the right time. So we should believe in God, we should do good things to others so that we also get good things in return. Thank you, children.